Okay, I'm heading to second floor. So as you can see in second floor, everything here is a window. So look like our second floor is done for the walling. But one part that we need a window, this one. The shower area, the corner is a shower, so you need to put a window there. But the interior, we don't have any wall yet. But our walling outside, the wall is ready to finishing. Manday sila. I'm heading to third floor. Bright kay mo gabi ba ang kaniyo ka wala ninyo i-open. Ang suga. Almost done. Unsa pay kulang sa atong gutter? The gutter is the gutter. The gutter is the gutter.
Matapos niya kung
Look, the gutter.
Look at this.
Pwede na gid ni diha o mabutangan ko na gid ni diha og mga Christmas tree. Ako nang katuto mga kuandayon og nay pasalugan gid ako siya kanang hibi ba. Para nga matamakan gid siya kay kung pwede. Kaning dinhira nga area pa kuanan ako na siya. Okay para kay kuan man ni siya. Pultahan pa ingon sa taas. Gi-spesyalan gis Alvin og yang kuan, yang dalan. So pabutangan ako na siya sa lug nga kuan para matumban. Kay kung dili ka pwede mo tunog atong sukuan, di ba? Padubulan ako siya og kuan. Babe. Someday when they're done, this one I want Ronaldo to put something like wood or you know, to have flooring. So that when we go, we can put stuff there like Christmas tree. Because look, you can stand up on the attic. That attic is really huge. So it's a perfect for the Christmas tree. Oh, you see this? The exhaust. This one, Bibo. They already put there. You cannot really stand. I will show you the. Okay, I hope I can take a good shot. Okay, my love, come here. I want to show you something here. You can see in the video. You see this? You see this? This is the one that exhausts the. Supposed to be we make a window, but this one we don't need a window.
Yeah, that's gonna be our fan.
Yeah. This is the one that air vent from the attic.
Yes.
Which is really good. Safe from the wind, safe from the rain. Perfect.
We'll go 5 turbines and 1 air vent.
So, almost. One lang. Tanaon la, we talk about kung nara sa inyo, pinsel gusto mo duty of Saturday race, nara sa ila sila ba? Atong mga nara sa ila sa ila.
You know nga,
Nalagi, I know.
big C.
So, anak lang yun. Basta sa Saturday, atong all you have to do, kung ano lang. Ara ba itong kusog kay Ani mo share? Wala man. Kato siya, happy birthday Adonis. Amin to?
Right.
Kuya, oh. May kas kuya, oh. Kuot gid ya. Lapit ako mo man atong kuan ba? Third floor. It's the go. The letter